Acumatica provides best-in-class integrated ERP, enterprise resource planning, business software for domestic and international organizations comprised of single or multiple companies. Acumatica's modern, scalable, and adaptable cloud platform can help you gain visibility and control across your organization, improve efficiency, and reduce administrative and technology costs. Manage simple or complex organizational structures from small single-site companies to mid-sized domestic and multinational operations deployed across a single or multiple tenants. Utilize system locale settings to configure the system to operate seamlessly in your native country, including language, date and time format, decimal place, and digit separators, banking file formats, and more. Empower growth with multiple branch site locations in your company structure. Record revenue and expenses to their respective branch sites to measure profit and loss performance by branch. Reduce administrative overhead for common currency companies in the same tenant by leveraging shared master files such as chart of accounts, inventory, banking, customers, vendors, taxes, and more. Establish buy-sell relationships by extending related third-party companies as customers, vendors, or both. For example, create purchase orders or purchase receipts in a sister company from sales orders or shipments processed in a brother company. Segregate the accounting for related party business from regular business with different accounts for payables, receivables, sales, purchases, cost of goods sold, and more. Maintain balanced financial statements with inter-branch accounts when processing related party transactions, such as processing a bill in one company that includes electrical expenses for that company and other related companies. Gain control over cash management policies by centralizing cash management functions. Dynamically create intercompany transactions for cross-company payments of customer invoices, vendor bills, and cash transfers. Scale your tenant environment to include multiple companies of the same currency or create companies with different base currencies. Comply with GAAP and IFRS financial statements formats by specifying the presentation order of accounts on the financial statements. Utilize company groups to establish who can have access to the same set of customers and vendors with the same base currency. Reduce currency risk by enabling the system to convert an item's base currency price to the price in the document currency. Expedite the financial reporting process by consolidating the results of multiple companies across one or more tenants. Prepare for consolidation by associating the subsidiary's chart of accounts to the parent company chart of accounts. Connect the parent company tenant with the subsidiary tenant to import financial balances for consolidated reporting. Comply with regulatory requirements to present the results of foreign currency operations in the currency of the parent company. Use Acumatica translation to calculate the equivalent parent company values and record them in the reporting currency ledger of the subsidiary company. Combine financial balances from multiple subsidiary companies across one or more tenants. Use the Import Consolidation option to reach into each subsidiary tenant to retrieve the proper financial balances and create a consolidation journal in the parent tenant. Once completed, the system displays a warning message informing users that there are unposted consolidation journals in the parent tenant. Users can post consolidation journals manually or in bulk with the Release Transactions Process option. Expedite the consolidation process with automation schedules that specify start and expiration dates, the schedule type, and schedule details such as the number of occurrences, run date, and the start time, as well as specifying runtime parameters to be used during processing. Quickly create and publish consolidated financial reports such as balance sheets, income statements, and statements of cash flow with Acumatica's embedded financial report writer. Designed for accountants, easily create consolidated reports that can isolate subsidiary financial results in separate columns that sum to a consolidated total in a few minutes. Acumatica provides best-in-class accounting functionality on a modern, scalable, and adaptable cloud platform for businesses of all sizes and complexity, from single-site domestic companies to mid-size multinational organizations. Acumatica is a global ERP platform that supports multiple languages, multiple companies, multiple entities and branches, multiple currencies, consolidation, and local governmental tax and compliance requirements. Contact us to schedule a personalized demonstration.